I am just feeling all the Christmassy vibes right now.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Michael Bublé, is that you? I know, guys. I know. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new, and welcome to the most magical, wonderful time of the year. I'm literally so excited. Like, you could slap me around the face, kill everyone I love, and you could not wipe the smile off my face. It is officially Christmas time in the James McGrath household. I'm so excited. We're about to Christmify the frick out of this house. We did already get a head start on our Christmas decor shopping on Thursday. We went after work to Kmart and Target, so I'll insert that footage here.
I think we should get a reindeer one as well.
Yeah. Going straight in my basket.
This is quite low.
Yeah.
Just get these ones?
Yeah. Hi guys. So we are in Kmart doing our Christmas shopping. Happy to be alive. We've already got some great little bits.
Christmas themed.
No, it doesn't go, but it's cute. Okay. Christmas cookie candle. Oh, Con, come here. Got to smell it.
Oh, yes.
Oh. Oh, babe. Tree skirt. Or there's this one.
That one's cool.
I think that one will go better with our tree. Okay, we are now in Target, and they have the cutest Christmas stuff. We got some really cute stuff, which I'll show you guys in a minute. We didn't go too crazy. I didn't go too crazy. Nick, I mean, I had to hold him back, that man. We did try and keep a lid on it just because we have quite a lot of stuff left over from last year. But in saying that, we were in an apartment last year and now we're in a house. So it was like a lot more room for Christmas decor. I don't know, we'll see. We can always pick up some other stuff, but I'll show you guys what we did get. Come with me into my little Christmas grotto. All of this stuff that we got is from Kmart. You guys saw that we went to both Kmart and Target. We just didn't end up getting anything from Target. They had some really cute stuff though. Definitely recommend Target if you're looking for some nice Christmas decor. I have a lot of stuff from last year, which I'll show you guys when we get everything out. First thing we got is a tree skirt. For some reason last year I could not find a tree skirt to save my life. They were sold out everywhere. So we ended up with this like gold glittery one, which was like a great second option. Like, it served us well, but it just didn't go with the rest of the vibe, and the glitter got everywhere. It was so annoying. So this year I was on the hunt for a new one. I saw my friend Emma actually post this on her Instagram story when she was putting up her tree, and I was like, I have to have that. I've got to have it. Kmart had some really nice other options as well, but this one I feel like will just go really nicely with the rest of our theme. It also feels so nice and soft. Not that it really matters because like I'm not going to be stroking my tree skirt, but a little side note, great quality. Oh, I had to have these as soon as I saw these. I've been wanting some cute little Christmas mugs for ages now, and I saw these in Kmart. They were like a few bucks each and I was like, I've got to have them. A little Rudolph and a little Santa Claus. I just think this would be so cute to have on like a chilly December morning. Not that it's chilly in Australia, it's literally the middle of summer. A girl can dream. Also got a pack of tea towels. I saw these and I just thought they were so cute. I think we have some from last year from Kmart. Got these ones, which I don't love, I'm not gonna lie. Like it's like a mint green. And then these ones, which is like a little Christmas pudding. I think it has like a recipe of how to make a Christmas pudding on it, which is cute. Oh, you guys saw me smell this candle in the middle of Kmart. Oh my God, unreal. This is the Christmas cookie candle from Kmart. If you like sweet scents, this is it. If you don't, this is not it. Also really cute as just like a general decor piece. We don't have a lot of red, so kind of a vibe. I also picked up this wooden Christmas themed tray. I just thought this would be so cute on like our coffee table with a candle, maybe a little something on it. Oh, I also picked this up. Nick actually did. This was his choice. And I thought it was cute, a little pop of red. We have a lot of gold, a lot of white decor, but I feel like a little pop of red and like green is kind of nice. Is that it? Is that everything? Oh, we also got a pack of glasses. These are actually like our everyday glasses that we must have got at Christmas time, like before we moved out. I just didn't realize that they were like part of their Christmas section. But these are like our everyday water glasses, and we've broken like 3, so we had to get some more. Oh, and how could I forget? This is our only bit of outdoor decor. A Christmas doormat. Is this not so cute? Kind of unnecessary, but I just saw it, and we're in a rental, like we're not gonna put Christmas lights outside, but I want everyone to know that we like Christmas, so I thought this was a nice little compromise, and it's something that we can take with us and just like interchange. I just thought it was really cute. Yeah, that's everything that we got so far. Please come to help decorate for Christmas, Miss Luna.
She loves Christmas.
She loves Christmas.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.
First thing we gotta do is move all of this stuff, because this is where the tree is gonna go. Oh my God.
Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da. Oh, oh, la da da da. Oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories.
Okay guys, here's a little progress update. The tree has been assembled, we got the lights on, and now we're about to put on the tinsel. I'm not sure where this tinsel's from. I think maybe Kmart. I'll show you guys all of our little Christmas stuff. We got it out of the garage. These baubles are from Target. They're like a mix of golds, rose golds, super pretty. This, I have no idea where this is from. Maybe Kmart. It's a little advent calendar that you can fill yourself. Super cute. This is our gorgeous wreath. My friend Emma, who I used to work with, actually has a little small business. I'll have a link down below if you guys are looking for a Christmas wreath. Just give her ideas of like colors or a theme, and she does it. It's so pretty. Okay, I have you precariously balanced on the Christmas tree box and a Christmas pillow, and I just don't think this is a good idea, but gotta get the angle. I thought I'd show you guys quickly the decor that we have from last year, which I'm sure most of it's still available. We have this Christmas tree. I think this is either from Big W or maybe Target, but I'm pretty sure Big W. We have this Christmas tree, a little light up. I don't think it still works, but oh, look at that. The Christmas magic is still alive. We have Nick's stocking. This is when I got him like ages ago, probably like our first Christmas together, because he didn't have a stocking. I was like, that is actually not okay. Mine is still with my parents, or Father Christmas should I say. I don't get that till Christmas Eve, but I'm the one that fills Nick's stocking. We got our Christmas tea towels from last year. These ones are cute actually, I forgot about these. Little Christmas trees, 2 little green ones, and then this one which just says Holly Jolly Seasons Greetings, Deck the Halls. We also have these 2 types of tinsels. This one I think is from Kmart, and I mean it's gold tinsel, I'm pretty sure. Maybe from Target, I'm not sure. Tinsel is tinsel, really. Then in here we have all of our special ornaments. Most of these are from Bed Bath & Table. I kind of went a little crazy. They were having a sale last year, and it was our first Christmas and I wanted some cute baubles. So we have this one, this one, this one. This one is super cute. It kind of reminds me of a Christmas pudding. These 2, which are like my favorite, I think they're so pretty, especially when they're actually on the tree, like the lights shining through. And then we have this one, and then this one. This is our angel, which if I remember correctly, she was very hard to put on last year. She was hanging on by a thread. So yeah, we'll see. Updates to come on that. Oh, we also have this ornament. I think this one's from Target, I want to say. These are also from Target. We got a pack of these sparkly snowflakes as like little filler ornaments. And then these are like my favorite, these little wooden reindeers. We have a bunch of these. Aren't they so cute? I love them. I also just found in this box some screws. I have a feeling that they might be for the bottom of the Christmas tree. They kept spinning while we were putting on the lights, and I was like, should it be doing that? I do not remember it doing that.
Oh yeah, that's so sturdy now.
Christmas memories. Oh oh, la da da da. Oh oh, la da da da. Oh oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.
Hello you guys, it is now Monday and I realized I never gave you a full rundown of what the house looks like, a little Christmas decor house tour if you will. So I'm here today to deliver. We also picked up a couple other things from TK Maxx yesterday. I completely underestimated just how big or how much bigger this house is compared to our apartment. It's literally like 4 times the size, and so all of the decor that we had last year looks great, like fits right in, looks stunning, but it's just not quite enough. It doesn't go a very long way, but it's looking great. I feel like we're like 90% of the way there. There is still a few more things that I want to get, but I didn't want to like buy stuff just for the sake of buying it. So I'm sure I'll pick up stuff throughout the next month or so. We still do have 6 weeks before Christmas, so I'm sure I'll keep you guys updated in the weekly vlogs, but I thought I'd show you what the house is looking like right now. This room, my YouTube room, no Christmas. It's looking the same as always. Also the same with our bedroom, and also my office has no Christmas decor. I've still got my birthday balloons, but I don't know, I feel like it's nice to have little pockets of the house that are just like normal decor. Otherwise I feel like I get sick of it. Is that just me? I don't know. By the front door though, we have a little sprinkle of Christmas. I got this wooden Christmas tree from TK Maxx. So cute, it has little flecks of gold on it. Very, very nice. I also feel like I want to add something here, maybe change out this vase for something else. But we have that. You guys also saw we put up the wreath, which is looking so good. And then of course we have our Christmas doormat. And the hook is from Target. It was like $3. It just goes over the door, so you don't have to put a nail in the door, which is really great when you're renting. Then we come down, no Christmas, no Christmas, also no Christmas. And this is where the magic begins. We have our Christmas tea towels in the kitchen. I also put our advent calendar up here. I feel like this is a good spot for it because we'll never forget. Like we can always see it. I also got this from Maxx yesterday. I thought this was so pretty. It's this little tree dish with bits of gold and greenery. I thought it was so pretty. I'm not sure where to put it. Maybe on the dining table. We just have some flowers from Nick's mum at the moment. I hung some tinsel up there. I had some spare white tinsel, so I put that across there. And then this is where the magic happens. On this little side table, I have our normal diffuser. I just added some festive essential oil, so it smells so nice and Christmassy. We have this gold Christmas tree from Big W. I also picked these up from Target, these little houses. You can put little tea lights in them, so at night they look so pretty. And then over here we just have this little tree from Target, which does light up, so I feel like that would be really nice at night. Then we have our coffee table tray with a little candle, the Christmas cookie one from Kmart. I also got this from Maxx, again for a little tea light. This will look so pretty at night time. We have another little light up tree, which I put there for now. A little bit of greenery, some red. I chucked this pillow in our blanket basket. I thought it looks kind of cute there. And then we have the main event, what you've all been waiting for, the finished Christmas tree. It's kind of hard to see. I feel like the whole time I was doing a time lapse, you couldn't really see the tree because it's like backlit by the window, but it looks so pretty, especially at night time. Very happy with it. And we got the angel up there in one attempt. Pretty happy with myself, I'm not gonna lie. I am just feeling all the Christmassy vibes right now. Oh, hello, Miss Luna. How are we? Yeah, I'm so excited. I bloody love Christmas. Oh my God. Madame. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing all of our Christmas decor come together. I think the house is looking so good. Let me know when you guys put up your Christmas decorations. Have you already done it or are you waiting? I feel like this is a really controversial topic. It really divides the nation. My family is like so against putting up anything Christmas related till December 1st, but I'm trying to convert them. I never used to be that way. I used to be like a December 1st gal too. And then last year I had my own place for the first time and I just got so excited. I was like, oh my God, I could literally put up my Christmas decorations in October if I wanted to. That's a great idea actually. Last year we put them up earlier because it had been such a terrible year with like the pandemic. We just needed a little Christmas cheer, a little pick me up. And now I just feel like there's no going back. Like mid-November, I am there, I am ready. I also feel like as fun as it is, decorating for Christmas is so time consuming and so exhausting that I want to enjoy the decorations for longer than like 3 weeks. Is that just me? I don't know. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Say bye.